So first of all, I would like to ask you how has been your overall experience in the event so far, and is there any key takeaway that you want to highlight in particular?
The event is well organized by Epic News Network, and I'm very glad that there was so many industry people here, and similarly there was a good representation from the academic world, and there is always something to take back home. The panel discussions were very interesting, and I was one of the panelists myself. But it's good to hear other people also and take away. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And another question that I want to ask you is that how do you envision India as a skill becoming a skill hub in the future? What steps do you think together all the industries need to take? In brief, like 2 3 points. What steps basically the industries need?
If we are looking at India becoming a skill hub, and I think we are going in the right direction because NEP also lays a lot of emphasis on skill development. And I think the industries are coming forward and helping the academia by providing internships, by providing good placements to the students, and not only internships and placements, but also the guest lectures, the expert lectures that we have from the industry people. Like I can tell you, we at Pimpri Chinchwad University have made a complete series of 100 videos, and we've put it on YouTube channel where the industry experts are coming and talking about why you should take up this as a career. And when we talk of skill education, like I can tell you from my experience that in my previous organization we did skill based program with one of the industries, major auto giant, where they're training the girls from the rural area, you know, and these girls after going through the course get a diploma, and they are immediately picked up. So this is the way the industry is coming forward, and a lot of companies, MNCs also have their CSR projects, which whereby they are willing to fund some skilling projects and skilling in typical emerging area technologies. So I think with this collaboration, the government organizations are also helping. All the regulatory bodies are also promoting. So I think we are kind of geared up to be the one that is Vikasit Bharat in 2047.
Yeah, it was like great to know that you're also reaching to the underserved areas of the nation. That's great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.